I'm Cameron Piper. I'm in Hollidaysburg area senior high school. I'm in 12th grade and I enroll at Service Occupations at the Greater Altoona Career and Technology Center. So I'm a senior and I started in 9th grade, and ever since that I started having a love for cooking and foods and all that, like desserts and that, and I started loving it. We've learned how to use the soup trunnion, the stack ovens, the stoves, how to operate the dish machine, learn how to set up for banquets. My favorite is the stack ovens and the dish machine, because on the stack ovens we can make like pizza, bacon, grilled cheese. I've been cooking for like a long time, since I was like little and that, and I watched my mom and my dad cook, so then I ended up starting to cook and that. And then 8th grade I said I want to enroll at CTC for Service Occupations, and 9th grade I got accepted in Service Occupations. I've been here since. I consider doing this program because 1, it's fun, 2, we get to do all kinds of fun stuff like skilled stuff, cooking, maintenance, yard work with the maintenance of VOTEC, and I always tell people how much fun Service Occupations is. My favorite part of this program is the friends, the teachers, the food, the cooking, the dish cleaning. I've been here for 4 years, and if anybody is considering this program, I would recommend joining this program because you're going to have a lot of fun helping maintenance and making foods and all that.